me! It is because of you!
This is only a demonstration of what could happen if someone drinks and drives. Greenwood High School Student Council, along with Texas DPS and Midland County Sheriff, put on the Shattered Dreams event.
Yeah, I hope that they see that it's their classmates that are doing this and that they realize that this could really affect people.
The event started with students playing victims of a drunk driving accident, with local law enforcement investigating the wreck and helping the victims.
Every detail matters. The bruises, the scratches, the broken bones, the dead people. You have to really thoroughly look at how many people you want involved and how you want to get the whole school involved.
It's so freaky. It's so real.
It's unreal right now. It hadn't really sunk in.
After the driver was arrested, students went inside and saw a video of what happens after that. Then they heard stories from students who knew the victims, all in hopes to reach their classmates and prevent drinking and driving.